Hi, this is Brian with Schneider Shrub and Tree Care. In this video, we're going to discuss pre-trip inspection and circle of safety. Pre-trip inspection, visual walk-around, and operational checks should be made in accordance with manufacturer's and owner's instructions, applicable federal motor carrier safety regulations, and state and local requirements. The first part of the pre-trip inspection, you're going to want to start in the cab. The first thing you look at is the windshield. Make sure that there's no stickers, cracks, or anything that's obstructing your view. The next thing you want to look at are the mirrors on either side of you. Make sure that they're free of cracks, and make sure that they're mounted properly, and make sure that they're adjusted to where you can see behind you. Okay. The next thing you want to check is the rear view camera. Make sure that it's mounted properly, make sure that it's centered to the back of your truck, and that you can see clearly out of it. Make sure that the windshield wipers and the washer fluid work properly. For this part, you're going to want to have the truck turned on. Make sure that all the dash gauges are working properly. Make sure that there's no lights on that shouldn't be on. Some equipment that you need on the truck at all times are 3 emergency triangles, a first aid kit, a spill kit, emergency eye wash kit, and a fire extinguisher. Next, you want to make sure that your safety belt works properly and latches properly. And then you want to check the horn on the truck. And then you want to check the external lights. The next thing you want to do is check all the lights. Check the headlights, the 4-way flashers, the turn signals, the brake lights, the reverse lights, the running lights, and the clearance lights on top of the cab. The next part of the pre-trip inspection involves looking under the cab. To lift the cab involves 4 steps. First, make sure that there's nothing in the cab that's going to break, spill, or tip over that you care about. The next part involves pulling this small silver lever underneath here. That will unlock this longer lever. Once you pull that long lever, you can then reach under and pull the other lever and then lift up the cab. Make sure the cab locks in place so it will stay standing up. For the next part of the pre-trip inspection, you're going to want to check the fluid levels, the belts and hoses, the suspension system, and the tires and rims. You can refer to your pre-trip inspection checklist for further details. Remember, whenever you finish a job, be sure to check underneath the truck for leaks and obstructions. Also, replace your wheel chock and cones. We call this the circle of safety.